How to fix camera shutter lag in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera. On top right corner, you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on restore defaults and then click on OK. After that, go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And again click on apps and scroll down and click on camera. And again click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your camera cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can update your latest version. If you doesn't update your latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.